this is Felt Buzz again, doing the draw, the second draw. So this is for the draw for all the people who commented on the Big Bird stories number 7 to 12. That's week 2. It's quite a lot of you, 42 of you in fact. 42 of you, and so we're going to go back over to the incredibly slow, boring wait for that to boot up. Previously discussed. You can have a look around the shop. Look, that's the tourist office there. See? There you go, whilst you're waiting. My artisanal boutique. There is my stuff. Made that with all my own bare hands. See if it's gone. It has, yes, okay. So, lower limit is 1. Upper limit is 42. It's number 4. Who is number 4? It's Snoop!